In this video, I'm going to cover four main areas in creating the first form within InfoPath. I'll show you how to insert a picture, then page layout template, then I'll also go through adding a theme, and finally inserting a table on a blank form. So let's start by creating the form, and I'll double click on blank form, and we'll insert a logo or picture at the top by going to pictures and then going to locate the actual picture, which is in InfoPath practice files chapter 3, and we'll insert that picture there. We'll double check that this picture is centralized, and it is. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do is select the bottom area where it said add tables, and then I'm going to go to page design and page layout templates and select the color bar option. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do after that is I'm going to add a theme. So I'm going to select the whole table by clicking this selection box in the top left, and then I'm going to select the industrial vantage theme, which applies it to the whole of the table, and that looks fairly nice. The next thing I actually want to do is actually add an actual title as well to this field, and I'm going to call it flight delay. And for this top area here where I've placed this image, I actually want to change the shading for it and make it similar to this color here. And to do that, I'll click shading and I'll select this color, accent 5 darker 25%, which gives a nice appearance to the actual form. The next thing I want to do is at the bottom here is insert a table. So if I go to insert tab, and I'm going to select this table option, 2-column offset with emphasis 4. That's very nice. The next thing I want to do is reduce the spacing, the cell padding here at the top of the actual logo, and I'll click on the layout tab, select cell padding, and change the top from 32 to 16, and you'll see that it goes up and reduces the space, and that's just a very simple form created, showing how to insert the picture, change the page layout template, add in a theme, and also inserting the tables for the controls that will be placed later on, and I'll show that in a later video.